Hello, my people. This is Zebo Zarazua. Gonna make dinner, and if you're short on time, I'll tell you what to do. I'm gonna make a very quick, what we call Descada, and this is what we're gonna have. You're gonna have a ground of 2 or 3 pounds of hamburger, however y'all want it. You're gonna cook it. Take the grease out, just like so. Get it ready. Salt it the way you guys want it. I'm gonna put a little bit of onions in there just for sake, flavor. You're also gonna need 2 packages of hot dogs, package of ham, and of course pork chorizo. You gotta have that. Gotta have that. And this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix it all up. I tell you now, Zarazua. Gotta mix it all up here. We already strained the grease. Keep it now that the hamburger is ready. This is what we're gonna do. Hopefully you guys can all see it. Alright. Already chopped up the hot dogs, the ham. Ready to go. Mix it in. Boom. And then the packs of chorizo. Don't be shy. I know a friend of mine has a grill in this wonderful city that you can do this instead of doing it on the stove, you can do it in the grill. And make sure that chorizo is pork, not beef, but pork. And you mix it all in there. Make sure that chorizo is cooked, well blended in. Just like it is. It's already turning color already. It's in a nice fine red. Of course, y'all could do slices of pork. Very thin sliced pork, put pork in there, hamburger in there. Everything that you could think of that's meat wise. But mainly what we go ahead and, for me, to make it nice and quick, hamburger, chorizo, pork chorizo, hot dog, and ham. You can smell it right now. To add a little spice to it, I chop up some jalapenos and throw some in there. Just enough, just add flavor. But everybody's on their own, you know. Put it on, simmer it until everything's all mixed in. And you guys are ready for Taco Tuesday. Then I'm gonna let it simmer. There we go, see? Don't that look good? I tell you now, Zarazua, Topeka raised. In your show living. We're gonna put it on simmer. In the meantime, you can make your own chili sauce, pico de gallo, and on the side dish have some elotes or corn on the cob, or whatever you feel like. And in a few, I'll show you what the tacos look like.